Hi, my name is Esteban Martinez, and today I want to be talking to you about how you can increase your sales by advertising on Google. This works well to increase your brand, revenue, ROI, and ultimately new customers to your company through advertising on the platform. Now, whether your business sells a product or service, and again, this can be online or offline, say a plumber, car dealer, or property, customers are still going to be searching on a website first to find information that's going to help their decision. So generally the actual endpoint will be making a phone call, visiting in store or a dealer, or making an inquiry online. And this really happens generally because people are searching on Google, they're very high intent, they find your website, and then they get in touch with your business. Most company owners generally say that they get their business through the phone calls or via email. But when you look further and say, well, where are those phone advertised? That's generally where Google stands out, because your website has your phone number, it has your address, and it has your email contact details. So advertising on Google gives you the ability to target your budget, scale your budget, target what keywords really are suited to your business, and whether it's a product or service, you can make sure that you can be found when customers are actively searching for what you have to offer. Anyway, it's just a quick video today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.